they did with this is they took that window out, and they're going to repurpose it. I'm not sure if it's this location or that location. I was thinking it was that location. So that big window is there, they're going to kind of put in there. They'll get this all done, they'll get it bricked up. They hope to have this, they hope to have this done by the middle of June.
So what will this LECC space be used for?
Right now what they have a plan for is an activity room. This is one of the additions they made because, as you know, the gym's a very hot commodity and lots of practices and things like that want to go in there. So by doing this room, that relieves a space for the daycare to come in and get activity for their smaller kids. They didn't need such a big room, but we also have to go through DHS requirements and a bunch of those things to make sure that we're meeting standards for our licensed daycare.
Of course. So when this does get completed, what will the LECC gym be used for?
You know, primarily during the day, they'll still be used this, but we're looking at after school games. You know, LECC is open till 6 o'clock, so that always inhibited practices, always inhibited games. So now we're trying to get this where we can secure the LECC away from the gym so that people can come and go from the gym freely, but not interrupting the LECC. Big rules and regulations on, you know, keeping those separate when we have, you know, children.
Okay. What is an estimate time will the LECC be part done?
Well, we have till August 15th, but we're hoping we'll be able to get that done a little bit sooner than that.
Here in June 15th, middle of June? Well, that's what I heard.
Yes, middle of August.
There you go, that's what he said. He's going to stick with his due date. I don't blame him. You always go long, and then if you get earlier,
yeah. So have the construction workers ran into any problems along the way?
A few, but nothing that hasn't been manageable.
I don't think there's been anything major on this project.
This one? No, nothing really.
You know, back over there we had the sewer line issues and some of those types of things, and you know, finding some rubble and some cisterns as we dig some dirt, you know, dig down in the dirt, things like that. So
I think that's all the questions we have today. Thanks for your time.
All right.